everyone. Thank you so much for connecting with Manabi. We are really excited to guide you at the start of your ACCA journey. When you are starting a professional qualification, you have a lot of questions in your mind, and today's video is specifically designed for you to understand what is an ACCA, what are the eligibility criteria to enter the ACCA, and what are the papers, how you can achieve that. And the last thing is how Manabi is going to help you with your ACCA journey. Okay, so let's start with the today's video. Okay, first of all, let's understand what is an ACCA. Okay, ACCA is basically an association of chartered certified accountant. They have given you a qualification which enable you to get a professional qualification. Okay, and this professional qualification, which is ACCA, Associate of Chartered Certified Accountant, it specializes in accounting, both cost and financial, as well as audit, taxation, and financial management. So these are the skills which you are going to get while studying the ACCA. So it's a professional qualification which enables you, which equip you with the skills which I have told you about: accounting, auditing, taxation, and financial management. Let's see what we have over here is, ACCA is also recognized in more than 170 countries all over the world. Okay, so it is not just basically a qualification which is recognized in 2 or 3 countries. It is recognized in more than 170 countries. Now, the recognition criteria can be different from country to country. Some countries has a mutual agreement signed between their accounting body and ACCA. For example, if we talk about Chartered Accountant Australia and New Zealand, they have a MOU signed with the ACCA. So if you are done with the ACCA and you are an ACCA member, so you can apply to the CA of Australia and New Zealand after getting 5 years post membership experience. Okay, so there are numerous organizations, professional bodies which they have recognized the ACCA. All other countries which do not have any MOU with the ACCA, they still recognize the ACCA. For example, in Canada, if you have done the you have passed the exam for ACCA, then you are equal to the bachelor level of Canada. And if you are done with the ACCA membership, then you are equivalent to the master degree in that country. So yeah, if they do not have a MOU signed with ACCA, they still recognize ACCA as bachelor or master in more than 170 countries. Okay. Right now, there are more than 219,000 professional members which are doing their job. They are fully ACCA members and they are conducting their job right away. Now, what is the eligibility criteria for starting the ACCA? It really depends what is your previous qualification. Okay, so if you have done 10th grade, if you have done 12th grade, and if you have done intermediate, then you are going to attempt the FIA exam. This is the Foundation in Accountancy diploma. You need to do that before starting your ACCA. Okay, how many exams you need to take, we will talk about it in the next slide. But if you are coming from from your high school, 10th grade, 12th grade, or even after the intermediate, you need to get yourself registered for the Foundation in Accountancy diploma, and you need to pass the exam so that you can start the ACCA. So that means if you are coming from these backgrounds, you cannot start ACCA right away. You need to pass the Foundation in Accountancy level, then you can start your ACCA. Okay. Then if you have done A levels, then you can start ACCA right away. If you have done Bachelor in Commerce 2-year program, then you can start your ACCA right away. Other degrees, which is associate degree program, and also BCom, BS, and BBA in accountancy and finance, 4-year program, then you can also start ACCA directly, but you will have some exemptions as well. Okay. Now, this video, I did not explain the exemption because these exemptions depends on the country, depends on the university, depends on the qualification you have done. So there are 3 variables which cannot be catered for in that short video. So that is why I have skipped the exemption. So if you want to know about the specific exemption related to your qualification, you can approach us and ask us, this is your qualification and this is the university from which you have done. Then we will, contact the ACCA, and then we will let you know that how many exemptions are going to be in ACCA depending upon your university and depending upon your qualification. Okay. Okay. Now, the next thing is foundation in accountancy. So if you are coming from the 10th grade, if you are coming from 12th grade, and if you are coming for intermediate, then you need to attempt 4 papers in your FIA before you can start your ACCA. So you need to attempt 4 exams in the foundation in accountancy before you can start your ACCA. Okay. Now these 4 exams are actually help you start your ACCA, and they are going to be clear in 6 months. Okay, you can take 4 months, you can take 2 months. It depends on how much you are dedicated to pass these exams. I always say to my student that there is a minimum hours required to pass any exam. So if you are justifying those hours with that particular subject, then you are going to pass the exam. Okay, so it's a little marginalized time frame which I have shown you, 6 months, but I have known different students which have passed this exam, 4 papers in 4 months time or even in 2 months time. So it really depends how committed you are in the foundation in accountancy. Okay, after you have done the foundation in accountancy and you are coming from the background of 10th grade and 12th grade. Okay, but if you are coming from A levels, bachelor, BCom 2-year program, associate degree program, or even from the 4 years bachelor program, then you can start the ACCA right away, and you will also have some exemption of the exam. Okay. Now in ACCA you have to pass all the exams. Okay. Now these exams, how many papers are there? We will calculate that. But these exams are divided into 3 categories. Number 1 is knowledge level, which has 3 papers in it. Number 2 is the skill level, which has 6 papers in it. And number 4 is the professional level, which have 4 papers in it. Okay, so the total of these ACCA papers is 13. So if you are coming from non-bachelor entry, then you are going to attempt 13 ACCA exam and 4 foundation in accountancy exam. This will become, this will total to 17 exams. Okay, so these are the levels of ACCA in which you are going to attempt the exam to complete your ACCA journey. Okay, now after passing the exam, your ACCA journey is not completed. Okay, when you have done with the all 13 papers of your ACCA, then you have to do 3 years practical experience requirement. There is a requirement by ACCA. After that, okay, when you have passed the exam, you will be called as ACCA affiliate. After that, you have performed 3 years practical experience, then you will become ACCA member. ACCA member is the last resort, you can say that, in ACCA qualification. This is the highest thing which you can achieve after passing the exam and after getting the experience from the industry. So this is how your ACCA journey is going to be. Okay, now I have told you where you are coming from, I have told you what you need to do, and I have told you what is FIA and what is ACCA. Now what is our role here, what is Manabi role here, and how we are going to help you understand that. Let's see what are the features of Manabi role in your ACCA journey. Number 1 is we have high quality animated lectures, just like this video in which you can see me and you can see the animated PowerPoint running behind me. This is the same pattern which we will use in our recordings. Okay, you will have your pre-recorded lectures which will be high quality, just like this video, animated lectures. Okay, so this is the first step which we are going to take to equip you to excel in your ACCA journey. The second thing is 24/7 teacher WhatsApp availability. Okay, so it doesn't have to be that you will be added in the WhatsApp group. You can contact the coordinator, ACCA coordinator, but in that group I will be there. Your teachers will be there. You can contact them directly 24/7, because we are an online institute and we know that there is a time difference in different countries. So we have, developed an internal mechanism in which we have ensured that our teachers are available 24/7 for our students worldwide. Okay. Okay. The next thing is, you will obviously, we are not going to leave you alone, because once you have, got the access to the pre-recorded lectures, you will say that no one is bothering you. No, we are going to, we are going to test you. Whatever recorded lectures you have seen, we will be uploading the chapter-wise test and assignment on the same portal where you have access your lectures, video lectures. Okay, and you are going to attempt that, and the teacher assistant of every subject will ask you, have you attempted that, test or not? Have you gone through the assignment or not? So these are the things which we are going to ensure, because we are an online institute and we want our student to get involved as much as we can. Okay. Okay. Then we have a very good, fast, and friendly portal. Obviously, it's an online institute. If you haven't got the excellent portal, how you are going to entertain your students and how you are going to upload your lectures, upload your notes, upload your PowerPoint, upload your test and assignment, how you are going to conduct the mocks, how you are going to conduct the past papers. So these are all the things which can be done excellently just because of a friendly and fast portal. And the last thing is mock and past paper practice. So this will be the full-fledged mocks, midterm mocks, end-term mocks, and at the end of the session we will be conducting past paper practice, which will help you excel in your exam. Okay. So this is the session which was conducted specifically for you to guide through what is ACCA, what are the entry requirements, how you can enter into ACCA, and how Manabi is going to help you pass your excel in your ACCA journey. Okay, so thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. If you have any question or if you have any further queries, you can ask us on our WhatsApp number or our social media. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.